To create a product image ad for a protein powder like this, here's what you need to do. Inside ChatGPT, let's type in our pre-made prompt. Now remember to add the specific details and instructions that you want ChatGPT in order to create your desired product image ad. If you look at our prompt, I'm asking ChatGPT to display it in a dynamic setting like a gym or something because we are making an ad for a protein powder. Feel free to pause the video if you want to copy this prompt and you can adjust it based on your liking and your product. Now let's wait and see our final output. And would you look at that? Our ad really conveys what we want buyers to know or what we want buyers to buy. ChatGPT really followed our instructions when creating this ad. Remember, I asked ChatGPT to do this in a fitness or gym setting. If you want to sell a similar product like protein powder like this, you could use this video and help your product grow. Alright, so now you know how to create a product image ad for a protein powder like this. Watch this playlist to get more image prompt ideas.